How easy it is to do maintenance for an electric outboard engine after 100 hours usage. First, remove the propeller. Clean the entangled fishing nets. Then change the oil. Loosen the exhaust hole bolt on the top. And then loosen the oil. Drain hole bolt. It's a normal wear and tear for 100 hours of operation. After draining the oil, level the outboard motor. Use an oil gun to add oil. Fasten the oil bolts. Clean it with carburetor cleaner, and then check for any oil leakage. Tighten the fixing bolts of the outboard motor again. After the maintenance is completed, we install the propeller. The installation torque is 70. Find a wooden board to prop it up. Rotate it. Pull directly and rotate it to 1500 directly. Very good.